Hi, my name is Daniela and I'm proud to be an FVI graduate from the nursing program. FVI prepared me very well from fundamentals up until leader and management. They provided me with all the resources I needed from the clinicals, from studying. Absolutely, I couldn't recommend it enough. I feel very prepared, very happy, very satisfied with this program. With patient care, you deal with all different kinds of patients. These are things that you don't really see on a daily basis. So they really gave me that comfort and build that confidence in me that I didn't have before I started the program. So I would definitely recommend this 100 times, especially if you're looking into something accelerated. It's quick, it's straight to the point. They give you all the resources, and honestly, the professors are just amazing. They focus one-on-one studying. Really, anything you need, FVI is your program for nursing. I am so proud of myself. Honestly, at the beginning, I was a little scared. I thought I wasn't gonna make it, but here I am.